Namaste, this is Nidhi Prakash and today we are going to draw a mandala in this video. Either you are drawing a mandala first time or you are a pro. This video is for you. I tried to decode this mandala layer by layer and pattern by pattern. I gave all the shapes and the patterns which I am using in this mandala separately on a different paper so that you can use them in your other Zen artworks. So let's start. I am working on a 6-inch square paper. This is a Strathmore artist tile and all the materials which I am using are there in the description below with their Amazon links. So the first thing is to divide the paper horizontally and vertically and to find out the center of the paper. And now it is the time to put the markings. Please put the mark at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 centimeters. And to draw the concentric circle, it is really helpful if you put the marks beforehand. Now use the compass and draw the concentric circles based on the markings. I am using the rotator so that I can draw these concentric circles and the whole mandala a little quicker. Now I am drawing two more circles. One is at the 0.8 centimeters and the other one is at the 7.2 centimeters. Please use the helix circle or the protector to put the degree marks. In this specific mandala, we are going to put degree marks at the every 10 degrees distance, like the 10, 20, 30 till 360 degrees. And then use the ruler to draw all these diagonal lines. And please skip the center circle, no need to draw into the center one. Voila! Our whole guidelines are done. Now I am using Micron 03 pen and I am starting from the center of the mandala. That's what is mandala for. Start from the center and grow all around in all directions. The shape is the spiral in the center, and the spiral in a mandala means life's journey, growth and renewal, showing harmony and energy. This is one of the very basic shape to use in the center of the mandala. Now in the next layer of the mandala, we are going to draw petals which are small and pointed. And to make it more intricate, here we are drawing these small pointed petals into the crossing style. So they are overlapping with each other. In the next layer, we are drawing the squarish petals. So they are kind of squarish from the corners. These guidelines are really helpful to draw these mandalas, as these guidelines help us to keep all the petals in the symmetry. And now we are going to decorate these squarish petals with the flicking lines. This flicking line technique is really important. If you want to learn more in the depth, you can watch this drawing exercise 1 video. The link is on the top right corner. And now it's time for the next layer. Here we are going to draw the big pointed petals in the lotus style. I tried to keep the video with the normal speed and skipped some of the repeated parts so that the video doesn't become very long. So if you are just enjoying watching the video, you can keep watching it. And if you are drawing along with me, then I would suggest you to do the pauses in between the video so that you can catch up. I would really appreciate if you write me in the comments below that do you like this style and do you like the way I am decoding the whole mandala layer by layer and with the every shape and the pattern, so that I can continue doing that in my upcoming videos. I am getting a lot of requests for the to start my online live streaming so that you can draw along with me. But due to some reasons, I am not starting it right now. So I'm trying to give my best so that you can feel as if you are drawing along with me. When I do the live stream, I always say, draw slow, take your time, have fun, and make sure that you are moving your arms in between, you are taking breaks, having water, and the most important part is a smile should be continue on your face. You should not feel that any pressure or anything, rather you should enjoy the process and have fun. Whenever I'm drawing these mandalas, it looks like I'm doing the meditation, and it takes me to the zone that I just feel myself blissed when I'm done. And I kind of feel the same for you guys. When you draw this mandala, you also feel that happiness and enjoy working on it.